Welcome, seekers of wisdom and truth. In a world filled with distractions and uncertainties, many of us find ourselves questioning the purpose of our existence. We yearn for a deeper understanding of life and a connection to something greater than ourselves. Have you ever wondered if there's more to life than meets the eye? If there's a hidden power within you waiting to be awakened? Well, get ready, because today we embark on a journey of awakening. In this video, we will uncover the transformative power of imagination, a power that can reshape your reality and bring forth a life of abundance and purpose. We will liberate ourselves from limiting beliefs that hold us back, break free from the chains that bind us, and step into a world where anything is possible. But this is not just theory or philosophy. No, we will also explore practical wisdom that you can apply to your everyday life, facilitating personal growth and spiritual awakening. Are you ready to embrace a life of meaning and purpose? Then hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, because the journey starts now. Okay, let's begin. The purpose of life, according to spiritual teachings, is to awaken and join the awakened humanity. This concept of awakening refers to a transformation in human consciousness, where individuals become aware of their inner realm of consciousness, often referred to as heaven. It is important to note that heaven does not refer to a physical location, but rather to the inner state of consciousness. In this perspective, our outer manifestation, or earth, is seen as a reflection of our inner consciousness. The way we think, speak, and act is influenced by our unawakened ego and collectively conditioned mental processes. These unawakened states often lead to harmful behavior towards others and the environment, which, if left unchecked, can result in our own destruction. One of the reasons for this destructive behavior is the identification with belief systems that make ourselves right and others wrong. This creates division and conflict, preventing us from aligning with the awakened consciousness of humanity. To understand the purpose of life, we can turn to the teachings of great poets and thinkers like Walter Russell and William Shakespeare. They illustrate the interconnectedness of the inner and outer realms of existence. Everything in the world is seen as a projection of something activated within ourselves. Even the so-called evil in the world can be changed if we approach it with a scientific mindset, extracting the good from any condition or situation. Imagination also plays a crucial role in perceiving a deeper truth beyond what our mortal eyes can see. As William Blake said, "He who does not imagine in stronger and broader lineament, and in stronger and brighter light than his perishing and mortal eye can see, does not imagine at all." By expanding our understanding of the vastness within ourselves, we can recognize that everything in the world is a microcosm of our own being. This realization allows us to approach life with wisdom and extract the good from every experience. It also enables us to align with the awakened consciousness of humanity, which is connected to God. The purpose of life, therefore, is not just to exist, but to awaken to our true nature and join the chorus of awakened humanity. Through this awakening, we can live a more abundant life and contribute to the well-being of ourselves, others, and the planet. The wisdom of the ancients teaches us to center our imagination in the feeling of the wish fulfilled. By focusing on the desired outcome and truly feeling the emotions associated with it, we can align ourselves with the energy necessary to bring it into reality. This practice of imaginative visualization has been used by many successful individuals to achieve their goals and dreams. It is important to be mindful of what we imagine and focus on, as our imagination has the potential to shape our reality. By consciously directing our thoughts and imagination towards positive and empowering visions, we can create a more abundant and fulfilling life for ourselves. This process requires discipline and consistency, as we must continuously align our thoughts and actions with our desired reality. Let's now talk about resurrection. The concept of resurrection, often associated with the historical account of Jesus Christ, holds a deeper meaning that applies to all souls seeking higher states of consciousness. Just as Jesus was undergoing a change in consciousness during the crucifixion, we too are called to follow in his footsteps and embark on a journey of spiritual growth and transformation. To fully understand the lessons embedded in Jesus' life, it is crucial to delve beyond the surface-level historical narrative and recognize the universal principles at play. Jesus was a vessel through which the universal principle, the Christ universal, was expressing itself on this planet. And just as Jesus fulfilled his purpose, we too are capable of achieving spiritual dominion through obedience to the divine. At the heart of this lesson lies the concept of I am mastery. The crucifixion represents the release of the consciousness of limitation and the realization of our true potential. It calls us to examine the ways in which we may be robbing ourselves of the abundant life we are meant to experience. By acknowledging and dismantling self-imposed restrictions and limiting beliefs, we open ourselves up to the infinite possibilities that lie within us. In order to fully embrace the art of resurrection and pass over into higher states of consciousness, we must let go of old beliefs and programming that no longer serve us. It requires a willingness to lean into the discomfort and pain that often accompany such transformative journeys. Just as nature experiences death and rebirth, so too must we allow old aspects of ourselves to die in order to make room for new growth and expansion. As we bring this powerful journey of self-discovery and empowerment to a close, I hope you have found inspiration and guidance to awaken your inner power. Remember, the purpose of life is not just to exist, but to truly live and grow. By embracing the art of resurrection and letting go of limiting beliefs, we can access higher realms of existence and create a more abundant and fulfilling life for ourselves. I encourage you to apply the practical wisdom gained from this discourse to your everyday life. Embrace new possibilities, challenge yourself, and continue on the path of personal growth and spiritual awakening. It is within each of us to awaken and join the awakened humanity. If you have resonated with the message of this video, I kindly request you to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you will never miss another empowering video that will further enhance your manifestation journey. I invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Let us create a community of like-minded individuals who support and uplift each other on this path of awakening. Together, we can inspire and empower others to embrace their inner power and manifest their desires. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and embracing your true power.